sad to say, pandemic came. Yan, pandemic happened in 2020. March 1, 2020, nag-lockdown ang Pilipinas dahil 2019 nag-COVID, no? So because of that, it was just a blessing in disguise na nakabalik kami here in the Philippines for good. Kaya hindi kami inabot ng pandemic sa Dubai kasi mas mahirap kung apat yung anak namin tapos andun kami. My God, I cannot imagine. So anyway, thank God, nakauwi kami safe and sound. Pero walang ipon. Yun nga lang. So 2020, nag-start naman kami. Actually, 2019, nag-start na kami magbenta ng real estate dito sa Pilipinas. Tapos, nakikitay up kami with mga small groups of agents. Pero that time, hindi pa broker si husband. Pero yun na yung next chapter ng kwento namin na in last year, this year pala, 2025, April of 2025, naging licensed real estate broker na si husband. Kasi in 2022, siya po ay nag-aral po siya sa Gardner College, yan, sa Manila. At graduate po sila just last year. Then, after graduation, nag-review po sila na magkaka-classmate. Then, nakapasa po sila, thank God. At sila po ay mga brokers na. So, yun po yung sa kanya, talagang nabago totally. Pero sa akin po, tinawag ako. Kaya nga, parang feeling ko, being a teacher is not just an occupation or profession. It is really a vocation. It is a calling. Once you are a teacher, always a teacher. Yun. Kaya noong 2021, kahit na in denial pa ako na hindi, babangon din tayo after the pandemic. Magbebenta ulit ako ng real estate properties. Hindi, dahil